We just happened to be in the downtown Torrance area looking for a place to eat. You can see how lovely the area is. They have a nice park. There's a nice long way of walking under the bridge. Lots of shops on left and right, lots of restaurants. So we asked a local person who works in the area for a restaurant recommendation, and she gave us this restaurant that we're going to go to right now. So here we found the place, Ichimion Bamboo Garden, not too far from the downtown area. We got a tempura bowl, so it's tempura on top of rice with a tempura sauce and edamame. We also have a combination, pork cutlet and udon noodles, using the buckwheat noodles. So first we're going to try the tempura. I'm not a big fan of the shrimp, so I'll leave that to Happy Healthy Wife to eat that one. But let's see what we got here. So we have a melon, kind of like a pumpkin type melon. It looks like it might have sweet potato, eggplant, I'm guessing, green vegetable, not sure which one. And so I'll leave the shrimp for Happy Healthy Wife because I'm not a big fan of shrimp. We'll try some of these. Looks like it has some soy sauce on it. Also comes with miso soup. So they already put the dipping sauce on it, looks like. Yeah. That's a nice tasting sweet potato, your standard sweet potato. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's new. This is actually a jalapeno. I'm really surprised it's not spicy like I thought it would be. That's a very fresh, nice pepper flavor. If you like a good pepper flavor, that's actually really good in tempura. Pretty sure this might be some eggplant. Let's try this one. A very tender eggplant. Happy Healthy Wife's gonna love that. She loves eggplant. That's really tender and crispy on the crust. Now the crust isn't crunchy as crisp I've had in other tempuras, but it's a very good flavor crust.
I would do this way. So this department has to.
That one definitely, it's not exactly pumpkin, but it has a pumpkin-like flavor. So it's not, I mean, they might call it pumpkin, but it's not like the American pumpkin. It's the pumpkins that you get in Asia, if you're over there. It's a slightly different kind, but where you can actually eat the skin. So that's actually, it's good tempura. Miso soup.
But I was doing it in favor of the other.
Some kind.
Reduce the lording over.
Maybe not a miso soup, but it's definitely like a seaweed soup. A little salty, but very flavorful, and it's still really good. Let's move on to the pork cutlet and udon. All right, so let's look at this pork cutlet. So it is pork. It's been breaded and fried. It looks kind of soft. Looks like it had an egg coating to it as well. It's kind of good with the egg around it. See how it tastes. There's a bit of soy sauce on the egg. Very smooth, very creamy. Not very egg-like in texture. More like a pudding. Let's try the pork cutlet. So the pork cutlet, it's not a crispy crunch at all. It's a very soft with the breaded coating. It's flavorful and it has a nice bread flavor to it. Kind of like a chicken fried steak, except it's pork inside and it's not crispy. It's soft, tender, and a good flavor on the bread. Let's try the soba noodles. So we got the soba instead of udon. So soba are thinner noodles. They're made from a buckwheat, whereas the udon noodles are made from flour and they're thicker. So if you like udon, maybe you go there. But see the flavor the buckwheat noodles will like.
That's good.
Let's try some of the soup as well. This is very standard udon broth with these noodles. If you like the soba noodles, they're a fine variety to have. A nice hearty meal to eat. But I think I'm going to go against the person's recommendation of this place. I mean, this is not outstanding Japanese food that I've had before. It's not bad, but I have definitely had better noodles and better pork cutlet elsewhere. But you know, if you need a place to eat and you're looking for something Japanese, you know, I would go with that tempura bowl. That's pretty good. And you got the rice in there. You know, this place is not terrible if you choose the right food. Some final thoughts. This place was really good with their barley tea, and it really filled up my stomach. But would I come here again? Probably not. The tempura was worth it. Maybe not the rest of the meal.